Okay, go. Woo! Oh, you got it wet. Go, Elle. Come back this way. Or that way. Keep going. Hi. What are you doing? Are you floating? Woo! I almost fell in the pool. That was a good job. Good job, Ella. Yeah, throw your diving stick in. Right there. Throw it in right there. Throw. All right. What is she doing? You're supposed to... Okay, that's good. You gotta let it sink to the bottom. Okay, dive in and get it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was the hard way, but okay. Oh, good job. Do you have one more? Or did you get both? Wow. All right, you gonna say bye or no?